Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, capless fuel filler system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.